Okay, so today evening we are going to read another story from storyweaver.org.in. The title of the story is Mission Cycle. Author is Rohini and illustrator is Jayesh Sivan. It's a level 4 book, might be just a bit longer. Is it morning already? Why did Ammi or Abbu did not wake me up? Did they forget I have school? Did they forget me? Where is everybody? Nurain, you woke up by yourself, Ammi says. I cozy up to her. Why is everyone so serious and how come Ammi, Abbu, Dadu and Nani are watching TV in the morning? Ammi, is it Sunday? I ask. Ammi is a science teacher and we usually walk to school together. No, Noori, school is cancelled today, she says. Oh, I say, acting as disappointed as I can. I am secretly thrilled. Aha, school is cancelled. Good. I guess I will have to go to. I guess I will have to go to Wasim to play, I say. Wasim and I are both in the second standard, but in different classes. We have been neighbors since we were babies. We have spent many holidays playing, swinging from apple tree and shouting over the rose bushes until our families yelled at us. We have even invented 14 games together. He is my best friend and my best competitor. Abu gives me some milk and chochwar bread. The bread is from Wasim's family bakery. It has a special touch. Raisins. I love it. Noori, no use going over to Wasim's, Abu says. He left for Jammu with his Ammi for a few days. Oh, what's going on? News, protest in Kashmir. Oh, the news looks scary today. Nani raises the TV volume. Ammi, Abu, Dadu, Nani have one of their silent talks. Ammi raises her eyebrows till they are question marks. Abu shakes his head and sticks his lip out. Dadu spells out some letters softly. C-U-R-F-E-W, curfew. They all look worried. Why did Wasim go to Jammu? A few days ago, walking back from school, Wasim said we should both learn to ride the bicycle. Let's learn in 1 month. Abu looks at me and says, of course, Noori, but eat your breakfast first. I chomp on it fast. Ah, cup, 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 cup. Ah, great milk and chochwar bread. Do your magic. Make me strong. Make me strong for my mission cycle. Mission cycle day 1. The cycle is my Eid present from Abu and Ammi. I clean it till it shines bright. Tring, tring. I love the shrill bell. Abu, Nani says, Noori, why are you shouting? Abu has just walked out to see how things are. But Abu promised he would teach me to ride the cycle. Nani puts her garden tools aside. Ah, cycle, I can teach you, she says. But Nani, do you even know how to ride a bike? I asked bicycle. I was the fastest cyclist in my entire school, Noori, my girl. Now put your feet on the pedals, look straight at that wall and start pedaling. I look at the wall in front of me, focusing on that one peach on the tree. Focus, focus, focus. Where is Nani? As I turn to look back, dadam, I did not see that wall at all. Nani comes running. Noori, are you hurt? I check, I'm not, but I still feel like crying. Cycling is hard, Nani. Nonsense, says Nani. She plants a kiss on my forehead. The first thing you have to remember about cycling is to keep looking ahead. The second thing is that falling is okay. It's how you learn. I get back on my cycle. Day 2. On your mark. Get set, go. Day 3. After cycling practice, Nani and I pick apples. I steal a look at the street outside. There are no people. When your Abu was your age, we had to play indoors like this, Nani says. Turns out that was when she taught Ammi and Masi to cycle. They fell all the time and came running to her. You are so brave, my Noori. You will be a really good cyclist. Faster than Wasim? I ask. The fastest. Nani is so proud of her. Day 4. Nani. Oh, Nani is drying vegetables on the terrace for winter. Now who will help me ride the cycle? Shall I teach you today? Dadu asks from behind his newspaper. It's so strange to see Dadu at home at this time because they are having a curfew in their area. That's why. Um, Strange but amazing, Dadu. Aren't you going for a walk with your friends? Can't. There's curfew. I might as well get some exercise running behind my granddaughter. That's a good idea. Yay! I prepare myself to look at the peach again and try not to think of falling. But then Dadu makes a scary suggestion. He wants to remove the trainer wheels at the back of my cycle. Can I really ride on only two wheels? That is like being in a circus. When I say that to Dadu, he laughs his exploding laugh. Everyone on the street does it, Noori. He says, you just have to practice. Using some tools, Dadu and I screw off the little wheels. We are still not allowed to go out. Is this gate getting taller? I ask Ammi. She wants to go out. It's like in lockdown. Dadu, what is curfew? I ask. Dadu looks uncomfortable. It's when the government tells us we could not go out because it's not safe on the street, he says. I miss going outside. I miss my friends. I even miss my teachers now. The school should open. It's almost like what we are having right now. How long we will have to stay at home, I ask. I don't know, Noori, Dadu says with a sad sigh. Grown-ups usually don't like to say I don't know. So this must be serious. I don't like seeing Dadu sad, so I stand up. Okay, enough rest. Come, I have to beat Wasim. Good job. Now day 10, it's Ammi's turn to show me how to brake properly. We practice all afternoon. When Dadu and Nani came out at tea. In the dining room, we sit close in a tight circle. Everyone is coughing. Ammi, what was that? I ask. Ammi hugs me. There are people fighting, Noori. She wipes my eyes. I realize they were watering. Hers are too. When this happens, you hold your handkerchief against your nose and mouth, okay? Ammi says. Oh, it might be smoky outside, I guess. That's why their eyes are watering. I hug her close. I am tired and scared, but everyone looks scared. I remember what Nani said on my first day of cycling. I have to be brave. Day 11. The next morning, Abbu wakes me up. Get up, lazy bones. Today I am going to teach you. Just as I started getting bored cycling by myself, Wasim returns home. Finally, she's happy. Abu tells me the army lifted the curfew for a few hours and Wasim's Ammi quickly drove back to Srinagar to be home. Wasim brings an armful of chochowar bread. I give him the peach I focused on during mission cycle. I am so happy to see that he is safe. Go bring your cycle, Wasim, I say. Wasim looks sad. I left it out on the street and my cycle got bent out of shape during the fighting. Oh, poor Wasim. How will we do mission cycle now? Wait, I have an idea. So she's cycling with him. That's wonderful. And she can even teach him how to cycle, right? you.